Introducing the 2025 Hyundai i20, a smart, stylish hatchback that blends performance, comfort, and features in one striking package. Let's dive in. The 2025 Hyundai i20 comes with a 1.2L Kappa petrol engine, producing 83 PS of power and 114 Nm of torque. This powertrain, mated with either a 5-speed manual or an i20 automatic, is tuned for smooth city rides and decent highway performance. The front of the car boasts a sleek and sporty design with a new parametric jewel grille, giving it a bold presence. The LED projector headlamps with integrated DRLs provide clear visibility and a modern look, while the sharper, sculpted front bumper enhances aerodynamics and style. The front also houses fog lamps and air curtains that help cool the brakes during long drives. Moving to the wheels, the 2025 i20 features 16-inch diamond-cut alloy rims that offer both stability and aesthetic appeal. From the side, the body lines are smooth and well-contoured, contributing to a dynamic, forward-moving stance. The blacked outside glass and chrome-lined window trim add a premium touch, along with body-colored ORVMs with integrated turn indicators. The back of the car gets Z-shaped LED tail lights connected with a black trim panel, giving it a wide and futuristic look. The rear bumper is sporty with reflectors and a faux diffuser finish. Hyundai has also integrated a high-mounted stop lamp and a shark fin antenna on top. The door handles are chrome-plated on the top variant, giving the car a refined finish while maintaining accessibility with a smart keyless entry system. Inside, the Hyundai i20 impresses with its tech-rich and spacious interior. The dashboard is clean, modern, and driver-oriented, with soft-touch materials in higher trims. The 10.25-inch LCD touchscreen sits right at the center, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and voice commands. The side door panels carry a premium dual-tone finish and offer bottle holders and padded armrests for comfort. The center console houses a sleek gear lever that feels precise and responsive. Right next to it is the start-stop button, illuminated with a stylish ring for better visibility at night. The steering wheel is D-cut and leather-wrapped, equipped with audio, cruise control, and mid-controls. It's adjustable for both tilt and telescopic functions. The front seats are ventilated in the top model, offering great support during long drives. Moving to the rear, the back seats provide good legroom and headroom, making it ideal for 3 passengers. Between the rear seats, there's a foldable center armrest that includes cup holders, giving passengers a touch of added convenience. Another handy feature is the rear seatback pocket and rear AC vents. As for cargo space, the boot offers 311 liters of storage, which is good enough for weekend bags, grocery hauls, or college gear. The seats can also be folded to increase space when needed, making it practical for families and young drivers alike. The 2025 Hyundai i20 is priced starting from around 40 lakh Pakistani rupees, depending on the variant and optional features. It's competitively positioned in the premium hatchback market in Pakistan. To sum it up, the 2025 Hyundai i20 offers a fresh look, loaded features, and practical space, making it a solid everyday ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know what car you'd like us to review next. This review was brought to you by Turbo Excel, your fast lane to car reviews that matter.